Hello and welcome to another unscripted tutorial on how to install the VR application. Once you download the link that was sent to you, unzip that link in a folder, you'll see a VR folder. Go into that folder and you'll see arbysmesa.exe. That's what you want to run, but not yet. The first thing we have to do is we have to go into the Oculus application and change some settings. Now you can start the Oculus application by just putting the helmet on. You can't see. So you can also start it by typing in your search bar and clicking on that. That'll open it up. You're good to go. Once you have it open, go to Settings, General, and you'll see Unknown Sources. That needs to be set blue or turned on. The reason for that is this is not distributed through the Oculus Store because it's not an Oculus Store application. Those are meant for mass distribution, and this is a single use. So once we're done with that, we can minimize it, and then what you will do is double-click this, and you will see it loading. And what we need to do here is you really don't need to touch the resolutions unless you want to. It'll pick the highest one you have. If you have a very slow computer, you can work with these settings to speed up the application. Most modern PCs with a decent graphics card should be able to run this. The batch call is under 1,000, so it should be really good. That's nerd talk. But here you go. Press play. And you'll see what I see. Put the helmet on, and we'll start the next tutorial on how to actually use the application. So see the next tutorial. Thank you.